Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, Daily Current Affairs, July, day 23. Recently, which of the following institute has unveiled a pioneering lab-on-chip device capable of early detection of neurological disorder? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से किस संस्थान ने एक अग्रणी लैब ऑन चिप डिवाइस का अनावरण किया जो न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर का शीघ्र पता लगा सकता है? द आंसर इज BHU Varanasi, Benares Hindu University in Varanasi. Okay, and name of the laboratory is NEED, NEED. What is the full form of NEED? Nanomaterial for Electronics and Energy Device. Okay, and it can detect early stage of neurological disorder. Neurological disorders are Parkinson's, Alzheimer, okay, and schizophrenia. These are the neurological disorder. Okay, and BHU, Benares Hindu University, recently inaugurated North India's first human DNA bank. Human DNA bank. DNA, it is a full form of deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, ये genetic material है. So answer is BHU Varanasi. Recently, scientists from Zoological Survey of India, that is ZSI, have discovered a new species of deep water dogfish shark Squalus hima from which of the following state? हाल ही में भारतीय प्राणी सर्वेक्षण ZSI के वैज्ञानिक ने निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य से गहरे पानी में डॉगफिश शार्क स्क्वालस हिमा एक नई प्रजाति की खोज की? द आंसर इज केरला. ओके, एंड इट इज डन बाय द ZSI Zoological Survey of India. It's headquartered in Kolkata. Okay, and ZSI work under the environment, forest and climate change. And Kerala recently started a campaign called Jaiva Gramam. Okay, and actually they will turn to organic farming, and Kerala recently changed its name Kerala to Keralam. Okay, and who is the CM of Kerala? Pinarayi Vijayan, and Governor Arif Mohammed Khan. Okay. As per the news, NATO has signed a nearly $700 million to have a member countries produced more Stinger missile. And Stinger is a what type of missile? हाल ही में नाटो के सदस्य देश द्वारा अधिक स्टिंजर मिसाइल का उत्पादन करने के लिए लगभग $700 मिलियन के अनुबंध पर हस्ताक्षर किया है. स्टिंजर किस प्रकार का मिसाइल है? द आंसर इज स्टिंजर इज ए surface to air missile. Okay, and it is a man portable missile. Okay, and man can carry this missile, and it is also known as a FIM-92 Stinger missile. FIM-92 Stinger missile. Okay, and this missile is made by the Raytheon. It is an American company. Okay, and its weight about the 15 kg, and its range about the 8 kilometer. Okay, so Stinger is a surface to air missile. NATO is a full form of North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Okay, as per the news, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar inaugurated India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in which country? समाचार के अनुसार विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने भारत के पहले विदेश जन औषधि केंद्र का उद्घाटन किस देश में किया? द आंसर इज मॉरिशस. ओके, एंड पीएम ऑफ मॉरिशस इज प्रवीण कुमार जगन्नाथ. ओके, एंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट एम्स टू प्रोवाइड अफोर्डेबल मेड इन इंडिया मेडिसिन एंड एनहांसिंग हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम इन मॉरिशस. ओके, सो आंसर इज मॉरिशस. Recently, which of the following research institute won the Best Technology Award at 96th Foundation Day of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से किस शोध संस्थान ने भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद के 96 फाउंडेशन डे में सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रतियोगी पुरस्कार जीता? द आंसर इज IISR केरला. ओके, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IISR? Indian Institute of Spice Research. Okay, and IISR win Best Technology Award at 96th Foundation Day of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, and for its cutting edge work in the horticulture studies. Okay, and Union Minister for the Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Shivraj Singh Chauhan gave this award to him in New Delhi, and IISR established in 1975. Okay, Indian Institute of Spice Research. Okay, and it located in Kozhikode, Kerala, and it operated by the ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. So ICAR is a mother institute. Okay, and ICAR is an autonomous body established in 16 July 1929. Okay, so answer is IISR Kerala, Indian Institute of Spice Research. As per the news, which of the following companies has recently partnered with Indian Olympic Association IOA, become the official footwear partner for the Indian contingent at Paris Olympic? हाल ही में निम्नलिखित में से किस कंपनी ने भारतीय ओलंपिक संघ के साथ साझेदारी की है जो पेरिस ओलंपिक 2024 में भारतीय दल के लिए ऑफिशियल फुटवेयर पार्टनर बन गई? द आंसर इज प्यूमा इंडिया. Okay, and it is a German sportswear company, and they launch a campaign, see the game like we do, and host country in that time Paris, France. Okay, France in that time host country of the Paris Olympic, and for the 2024 and for the 2028 the name of the country is the USA in Los Angeles. Okay, and what is the mascot in this Olympic? Pharyngeal cap. Okay, mascot chosen pharyngeal cap as Paris 2024 Olympic. Okay, and it is a summer Olympic. Okay, so name of the companies is Puma India. Recently partnered with Indian Olympic Association, become the official footwear partner for Indian contingent at Paris Olympic 2024. Recently, Borehole Geophysics Research Laboratory is executing India's scientific deep drilling program at which of the following state? हाल ही में बोरहोल जियोफिजिक्स रिसर्च लैबोरेटरी निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य में भारत के वैज्ञानिक गहरे ड्रिलिंग कार्यक्रम की क्रियान्वित कर रही है? द आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. Okay, and it located in Kapad, located in Satara district in Maharashtra, and it work under the Ministry of Earth Science. Okay, and it lies at the confluence of Koya river and Krishna river, and it is known as a Priti Sangam, and Karad is famous for the sugar production. Okay, and Maharashtra CM is Eknath Shinde. Recently, which Indian player won bronze medal at वर्ल्ड जूनियर स्क्वाश चैंपियनशिप 2024? हाल ही में किस भारतीय खिलाड़ी ने विश्व जूनियर स्क्वाश चैंपियनशिप 2024 में कांस्य पदक जीता? द आंसर इज सूर्य बाबा. ओके, एंड ही ओन ए ब्रोंज मेडल एट WSF वर्ल्ड जूनियर स्क्वाश चैंपियनशिप 2024 दैट हेल्ड इन ह्यूस्टन USA. India will host the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, that is WAVES, in which of the following state? भारत निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य में पहली विश्व ऑडियो विजुअल एंड एंटरटेनमेंट समिट वेव्स की मेजबानी करेगी, शिखर सम्मेलन की मेजबानी करेगी? द आंसर इज गोवा. ओके, एंड इंडिया विल होस्ट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल एंड एंटरटेनमेंट समिट इन गोवा from 20 to 24 November. Okay, in 2024, and the announcement was made by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav with Goa CM Pramod Sawant. Okay, and Governor of the Goa is P.S. Sridharan Pillai, and recently P.S. Sridharan Pillai written a book. Name of the book is Heavenly Island of Goa. Okay, and its aims to make India a global content creation hub, and through supportive policies and strong intellectual property rights. Okay, so name of the state is Goa. Recently, Operation Nanne Farishte recently seen in news and it is related to which organization? हाल ही में ऑपरेशन नन्हे फरिश्ते समाचार में देखा गया ये किस संगठन से संबंधित है? द आंसर इज आरपीएफ. What is the full form of RPF? Railway Protection Force. Okay, and because Railway Protection Force has rescued 84,119 children at risk in Indian railway station and trains over the past 7 years under this operation. Okay, and this operation launched in 2018. Okay, so name of this sangathan is RPF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Science Express. Thank you.